Today we're gonna make putty, goo, or gawk. This is really fun, so keep on watching. Thanks! In an empty bowl, we're gonna add half a cup or 4 ounces of glue. This is white glue, but you can use any type of glue as long as it's liquid. We're gonna pour it in and make sure we take out any dried parts or parts that aren't liquidy. Then we're gonna add in also half a cup or 4 ounces of warm water and stir it together. After it's all stirred together and everything is all mixed, we're going to add food color. I'm going to add green because I think it's such a pretty color. Don't you? It's a little bit dull on camera, but it's so pretty. I love green. Anyways, mix it up and set it aside. Take 1/4 a cup or 2 ounces of normal water and add a tablespoon of borax. Stir it together and make sure it's all combined. After, take the borax and pour it into your first mixture. Really make sure it's all mixed together. Now, stir it up, and as you can see, it's going to start clumping together. This is the good part. You can set your spoon aside and use your hands. It's going to get really sticky at first, but after a while, it's going to start to become more putty-like and less slimy. If you want it to be more slimy, just add more water. That will do the trick. Also, at first the dye is going to rub onto your hands, but just wait a little bit and it will wash off. I hope you enjoyed, and I will list all the ingredients after the video so you can see all of the things that I have used. I will also list them in the description box, so be sure to check there. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you make really good putty. Thanks! Bye!